So the trees on the planet have a real problem with climate extremes. Okay, for example, drought, weather extremes, whatever it might be. And in a sense, they don't really know how to work with that, okay, work through that. So we can be with them. Our consciousness can connect with their consciousness and help them sort that out a little bit. Now, by us working with them, that helps them out. Then what happens is the, the trees and the beings of nature, they see a new possibility for working through these climate extremes, okay? They have a new avenue to help them out through that climate extremes. And then what they do is they broadcast that out in the wisdom. You know, there's a wisdom exchange, there's a communication exchange with them, and they put that out in the wisdom to all of the trees. And the important thing here is that the trees all be healthy, be all connected. The trees have to be connected for that to take place, okay? But being that they're connected and they're healthy in connection, partnership, balance, synchronicity, and synergy, all operating as one, then there's that opportunity for that wisdom exchange to take place. Now they have that possibility open to them to use this information to help them to handle these climate extremes. There's an opportunity if people will shift their consciousness about nature, being a real partner with nature, not taking the human-centric approach like I know better, okay? Asking nature what it needs, what it wants, and be a real partner with nature. Then there's the opportunity for nature and humans to be together as one. We can all be working together as one. And you want to know what the most important thing is that will help with climate change, because that alone will bring back the climate that we need to help everybody live, both humans and trees and plants and the animals and everybody, the whole ecosystem. It's that shift in consciousness. If humans would shift their consciousness to be in partnership with nature, nature will shift its consciousness to be in partner with us. He asks the trees and the plants to shift their consciousness to grow, and we shift our consciousness to growth and life, and shift our own consciousness, because our consciousness is our guiding lights also. That together we can grow and be one. That, to me, is the real partnership with nature, is the overlap of consciousness. And then we're all helping each other and driving each other and supporting each other as one.